Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video from. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Acheng, and in today's video, I am going to show you an example of being minimal or just executing the word or the phrase that goes as less is more. I do have some leftover ingredients, and I am going to show you how I use just the simple ingredients that I have in the fridge and in the pantry and create chimichurri sauce out of it. This sauce is so amazing. It can go with the different types of proteins. In this case, I'll be eating it with picanha. So if you have not checked out that video, make sure you check it out. But it's simple ingredients, leftovers that I have, and I'm just going to bring out something unique out of it, and you wouldn't know if you did not know the backstory of it. So if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. And also, thank you so much for all our subscribers, all of our viewers, all of our supporters. Thank you so much. We are so grateful. So I already have my ingredient, but the amazing ingredient that I'm going to use here, I have some leftover dried tomatoes. They're dried, and when tomatoes are dried, they bring out a smoky flavor out of it. And for my chimichurri, of course, I have some parsley here. I have some green parts of it left. So that's what we are going to use. And I always like using the stem. The stem of the parsley, it has amazing flavor to it. I think a lot of people really underestimate the stem, and I love using it in all of my foods because it brings an amazing flavor to your food. So enough of me talking, so let's get to the video. And also I'll be using olive oil, like pure olive oil that we use on salads. That is the oil agent that I'll be using, just pure olive oil, because it goes amazing with this recipe. So let's get to it. I have my blender ready. What I'm going to do, I have the dried tomatoes. So I'm going to kind of not add them right now. I'm just going to take a second. And this is my parsley. I'm just going to kind of take some of the green parts of it. It's this one right here. Perfect. I think that's good. Perfect. So that's good amount. Going to dump it in. And then I'm going to add my tomato, my dried tomatoes inside. Also, like I mentioned, I will be using the this stem right here. It adds amazing flavor to your food, so I'm going to add just a little bit of that. Set this aside. And then also I do have red crushed pepper flakes, so I'm going to add a little bit of that just to add some heat. Perfect. And I'm going to first blend what we have so far. I do have my brick and mortar right here. Usually if they are not crushed to the exact size that I like, I just like using this right here to kind of really crush them more and help release the natural juices that it has. So I'm going to grab, this is what we have. So I'm just going to grab all of these. Perfect. Going to set this aside, and now I'm just going to crush them. Just want to crush it really well. So that looks good to me, as you can see. So what we're going to do now is make our chimichurri. So I have this right here. It's going to use this surface right here. And then I have olive oil. So I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil first. Then I'm going to add our crushed chimichurri mix right in here. Then we're going to mix. I'm going to take out some of the stems because we wanted to crush them so they can release some flavor. So feel free to take out some of the stems if you want to. Now what we are going to do is add some paprika. Perfect. I'm going to add some ginger powder. Just a little bit. Black pepper. Perfect. And I'm going to add more olive oil. Smells amazing already and looks so beautiful. So you can see. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add just a little bit more of olive oil. And our chimichurri should be ready. This is a very easy and quick recipe, guys, that you can use, create, and just really maximize the ingredients that you have. So our chimichurri is ready. As you can see, this is how it looks like. It's amazing. You can go ahead and add salt if you want. Um, I'll add a pinch of salt, but later on. For now, I am happy with it. First, I'll have to try the content, the salt content of the food that I'm going to be using this chimichurri on for me to know if I want to add salt. So for now, I'll just leave it like that. But if you want to add salt, go ahead and add if that works for you. And this is our amazing chimichurri. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe. And until next time, bon appetit.